Alright, we got some more parts in today. So, before me and my wife go out and go driving, let's see, you guys see that alright? No, you cannot. Well, damn. Let's try this. Still not really showing shit. I'm trying, guys. No, this should work. There, okay. So, we got the proper ignition key in, which ironically I've just learned today that I could just order the key and it would fit the exact same way. As my camera falls into the battery / engine bay. Alright. So all we're going to do, take this, put it through the hole, giggity. Make sure this thing is set right, because right now it's not. Get in there. Okay, so that's off. Stepping on these damn clips again. I should really just grab my damn. Alright, so I'm gonna line this guy up with off. Power on. And that should be start right there, so now I gotta tighten it down. Which I'm not sure. Oh, there it is. Fuck up the sticker, but whatever. Fuck up a sticker and fix the entire rest of this thing, then well, yeah, I can live with that. Ain't going anywhere. Alright. I'll put that Phillips head. Right there. What I'm also going to do is just pull out this battery. Now I know this thing's proper setup. Mostly. I am not going to be using a lot of these wires anymore. You've already seen me remove the battery, so I'm not going to bother showing that. I am fucking hungry. That just hit me. Alright, all wiring out. Battery out. Gotta figure out this black cable though. Next up to remove the PTO button. And all this, which I will not be. Alright. That cable out. This cable out. This cable out. Where put the pliers this time? There it is. Come on, get out. I don't want you here. John Deere didn't want you here, but fuck them anyway. They've gone full corporate evil. Switch, which I think is missing something here. Might be a washer. Probably is a washer. It's definitely a washer. You know, why don't we try something real fast? There's the bolt that was on this damn thing. It did not work. So I'll find a washer later. It's trying to fall back into its own hole. Okay. Oh shit. There's my camera. Son of a bitch. Here's this temporary one I picked up, which did not work. Worth a try. Let's try and hook. What? I'm gonna do that switch last. That's a pain in the ass to get on there. Oh, come on. That switch is fighting me. Huh. So right now I'm pulling off everything here, which does not belong. This switch here does not belong. Oh, they replaced the entire... Oh, that's gonna be fun. That's not the original solenoid. Damn it. I'm going to figure out something for that one. Actually, where are you even? I have these two original wires here, which I'm going to have to figure out. Also get this cable out of the way. Alright, so that's one end. And the other one's in my hand over there, somewhere on the floor. Alright, hope either way. Be right back. Alright guys, follow up. This has been a few days later. I've been fiddling around with it, going through it. And I think I found something interesting. So I got a little backwards wiring going on over here, so forgive me on that. But, let's see. So I have, if you notice that little red wire here, I have it shoved into a black wire. So ignore that, that's just me diagnosing shit. Now watch this. So, keys off. Come on. Off. Now, what we're going to do, take this black wire. Please note, nothing. Come on. I'm going to leave this guy sitting right here for a second. Okay, shouldn't like that. Hold on, guys. I'm working on it. Again, I'm doing every wiring law breaking right now, but whatever. So we're gonna turn the key. Power. is working down there, but not the happiest down here right now. And another problem is the key's off. Still gotta do this. Once again though, key off. No power. But we made some really good progress getting it diagnosed. So I got the sound shields off right now. Oh yeah, and those are my little shims. I think they increased the hole size, so I'm kind of screwed on that one. But yeah, we've got some progress to be made. I probably have to work on the brakes next. Actually, does this control the deck lid? I gotta find a manual for this damn thing. But we got some power. Got a lot of good things going on right now. Still gotta diagnose it. I got a small oil leak. I think that's the oil drain right there, which I will check and figure out later. Also found the original hose, which the guy just kind of left there. But yeah, she's coming back alive. A little bits of progress here and there, guys. A little bits of progress. At least now we know some more things are going good with her. And because she has no power, I can leave the battery hooked up. Because the coil's not giving anything either. Before I completely shut it down, let me make sure. Turn off the... Yeah, no sparks. Alright, good. So she's dead completely now. Alright, we'll see what happens next time. I might make this do a video, I might do more later on. Yeah, keep watching.